Good morning, Springbrook. It's Wednesday, May 9th.
I'm reading, and with me here today is Abigail, and we're here to bring you the morning announcement. The Springbrook Cross Country team will be having a pre-season meeting for all students interested in being on the team next fall. The meeting is today at 11:35 in Coach Francis' room, G312. The meeting will be over by 12 o'clock, so you'll have plenty of time for lunch.
Other than graduating soon, you know what's about being a senior. Well, your yearbook senior signing party, of course, is this Friday after school at 2:15. Seniors can pick up or purchase yearbooks and hang out with friends. Pizza and pens will be provided for you.
May 18th is the last day for seniors, so submit SSL form for graduation. June 4th is the last day for all students to submit their SSL form for the school year. As of May 1st, all seniors who currently have an office aide position may turn in your SSL form for credit. Seniors only. All other students may turn in their form on June 4th. For those still in need of SSL hours, well, Maryland Multicultural Youth Center presents Every Day is Earth Day. So if you are interested in earning some SSL hours on Sunday, May 12th, please see Ms. Brown Miles in the Counseling Service Office.
Start cleaning out those lockers and checking under your beds because May 14th is the last day for everyone to turn in any books to the Media Center.
It is the time of the year for some lacrosse playoffs. Our girls lacrosse team will host Walter Johnson today at 4 p.m. The boys lacrosse team will host the winner of the BCC Wooten game on Friday, May 11th at 7 p.m.
Class of 2013 is having a car wash Saturday, May 12th at Sandy Spring Bank on New Hampshire Avenue. If you would like to help out, you can sign up with Miss Johnson in room B105.
Prom and the after prom party are only a little over a week away. This year's after prom party features fantastic entertainment. Stay the night for a chance to win fantastic prizes, including a laptop, flat screen TV, and gift card. Tickets for prom and after prom are currently on sale in the security office. Also, if you have any obligation, get those paid ASAP so you can actually buy your ticket. Mr. Grasso will be holding all obligation. Her office is next to the security office and across from the main office. Also, juniors who attend prom as well as their dates are also invited to after prom. And do not forget, after prom is free to anyone who purchased a prom ticket. So do not miss out on the biggest and bestest night of your high school year.
Hey Devils, want to know what the cover of the yearbook is going to look like? Well, check out the showcase by the Media Center, where puzzle pieces of the cover are being put up each time a person buys a yearbook.
It's time to elect class officers for the 2012-2013 school year. All potential candidates need to pick up application to run for office from their class sponsor. Class of 2013 candidates, see Ms. Johnson in room B105. Class of 2014 candidates, see Ms. Reed or Ms. Hawkins in room B105 or E108. Class of 2015 candidates, see Ms. Ginger in the Counseling Service Office. Complete applications are due by Monday, May 14th.
Well, for Radio and me, we're out of here. Have a great week, Devils.
Bye.
Bye.